Respected parents and my dear loving children, I wish you a happy day. Today I am before you to appreciate you and to thank you for completing this academic year quite successfully, I would say. Today we finish the annual examinations of the year, and it has been really an year of lot of struggle for the parents, I see, as well as for the teachers, because dear children, without having you in the classroom here in the school, the teachers have managed to teach the lessons through their videos, and the video clips have been sent to you. Under the guidance of your parents, dear children, I am happy that you have completed learning and you are given during the year the first periodic, half yearly, second periodic, and now the annual examinations also. I am also happy that the parents have brought and submitted the examination purpose of the exams that were completed before 13th, and now tomorrow the remaining purpose you are requested to submit. The time slot for your visit to the school will be sent to you by the teachers today. Please follow the timing and bring the purpose and submit to the teachers without failure, so that your timely support will enable the teachers to correct the purpose as early as possible and prepare the result. As we have already scheduled and you are informed through my last video too, that the pre-primary will declare its result and will give you the progress report on 26th and 27th of March this month, and for primary 1st to 5th standard on 30th and 31st. When you come for the PTM, as per the time slot which will be given to you by the teachers, we shall be also giving you the book list which you will buy for the next academic year. And I would like to inform you that during this academic year, we had kept away few chapters in different subjects under the direction of government due to the pandemic, as we have all had the problem of time to complete the entire syllabus. Accordingly, keeping off few chapters, the teachers have planned, prepared the lessons, recorded the videos, they were sent to you, examinations were held, report cards were prepared, and we have had several meetings and we have given you the report cards too. And now we feel as Christ School stands not just for examinations. Of course, I know that the parents are happy to get the marks, children are happy to get the marks. We, the teachers, also would like to see that the children get the best marks for the work that they have done. But at the same time, as an academician, I feel along with the Christ School that we stand for wisdom and knowledge beyond the examination and marks. Therefore, we have asked the teachers, and teachers have already started working on shooting the videos of those lessons which were not taught during the year due to the time constraints. And now these videos will be released and sent to you from 22nd of March to 10th of April. And on 12th of April, we start the new session for the next academic year as per the CBSE norms or the practice. The online or offline, the classes will surely commence on 12th of April. It is subject to the present situation under the directive of the government. I pray, if God permits and the situation improves, dear children, we shall meet and we shall have the classes offline, else the online video clips will be sent to you and the assessment along with the worksheets all will be available to you at your home. Dear parents, the summer vacation this year will begin from Saturday 8th of May from Saturday 8th of May. Till then, the classes from 12th of April till 8th of May will continue. And the vacation will go up to 9th of June. 10th of June, Thursday. I repeat, 10th of June, Thursday, we resume the classes after the vacation. Therefore, my dear parents, please take note of this information, and I wish you a very, very happy vacation. Once again, thanking you for all your support and encouragement that you have extended to our teachers and to the school, and especially the trouble you have taken to guide your children at home for completing their daily worksheets and preparing them for the exams and getting the papers for the assessment to the school and collecting the report cards and so on. It is highly admirable and we really appreciate your work. Let us continue together for the upbringing of the children, giving them the best of the knowledge that we can along with you. Thank you. God bless you.